2021 Lexus IS Sport, release date, rumors. The 2021 Lexus IS Sport Premium Sleek Sedan is assigned to an age bracket that may be nearing the twilight in the lifestyle. This system debuted for People 2014 product or service a few months along with the measure of competitors is an excellent bargain brisker. A good example is, the BMW 3 Series, a conventional class standard, will probably be all new for 2021. The Audi A4 debuted in 2017. Along with Mercedes-Benz C-Class receives a center never-ever concluding period update as a result device 12 several weeks. Even so, the 2021 Lexus IS has got the all-new and properly attained Genesis G70 snapping at its automobile auto tires. Indeed, we mentioned well before that Lexus motor unit autos tend to allow the top class to become referred to as a popular character as opposed to sportiness. However, even though 2021 IS might be comforting in particular site visitors and traveling, identify a few numbers or also an easy, catching freeway on-ramp and you will discover a far more entertaining uniqueness just below that best. The directing is quickly and specific, though equally engine choice is capable of doing undertaking assisting up entertainment or 3. The F-Sport sorts convey more big car tires and firmer suspensions but in no way provide you with any further possible. 2021 Lexus IS redesign. Exterior design. 2021 Lexus IS Sport calls it a spindle grille. In fact, it is the ideal dominating characteristic on the majority of its vehicles. But simply because just one single person's courageous design is undoubtedly a more person's oversight, we shall give up on subjectivity applying this unique controversy. The critical matter is 2021 IS is unmistakably a Lexus, and that is undoubtedly enough for a lot of consumers. For the carryover edition, we have been anticipating no visual changes around the 2021 Lexus ES. It could keep to the exact same even bigger, decrease, and sportier look it obtained in 2021. The present-day production Lexus ES also received a product or service new interior that included rationally placed controls, a 7-in hovering contact display screen, 3-spoke management, and lots of metallic capabilities. We rely on this newly created cabin to move via from your 2021 Lexus ES. Interior design. As with any Lexus, 2021 IS contains a calming cabin, the location where the loudest element is both superb no obligatory levels Levinson tunes program and even the rapidly apparent significant development. Steady with all the provide Lexus interior design approach, the critical stack sits flush together with the other dash, maximizing convenience and look. The infotainment TV set display could make full strategy, but it is provided in the dashboard, even though the PC computer mouse-like handle is obviously bothersome to apply from time to time. The F-Sport capabilities a digital electronic musical instrument class, enhancing the complete big practical honestly genuinely feel. Along with the safety previously mentioned capabilities, 2021 IS is included in 17-in alloy car tires, durability moonroof, HID front side lighting fixtures, carefully guided time operating lights and fog lighting, keyless entry/ignition, 2-location programmed community climate managing, 10-way power potential varied entrance sport child car seats, simulated man-made leather-based includes, rear view camera, 7-in. Infotainment display screen, USB 2.0 slot machine games, auxiliary noise recommendations, Wi-Fi wireless Bluetooth, HD stereo system, by having an 8-lecturer/293-watt sound file startup. Even though Siri is absolutely free satisfies incorporation with the infotainment system and Apple's Apple mobile phones, Apple CarPlay and Android mobile phone OS Automobile aren't readily accessible, we expect individuals to get about in the upcoming advancement. Lexus Inform Safety Connect consists of a turmoil direction web link, curbside help, computerized accident notify and cheated vehicle transmission, in addition to being liberated to the first 10 a very long time. 2021 Lexus IS engine. The rear wheel make, RWD, 2021 is300 incorporates a turbocharged 2-liter 4-hose obtaining 241 horsepower. All-wheel create, AWD, types through the is300 utilize a 260 HP 3.5-liter V6. The is350, with RWD or AWD, supplies a far more muscles type of that exact V6 tune to help with making 311 horse potential. In virtually any finish journey IS variations, the transmission might be a stylish 8 quickness programmed which may be maintained with directing wheel affixed paddle shifters. When AWD could there be, so is usually a 6-tempo computerized transmission. Performance smart, the ideal V6 is inevitably higher, even so, the Turbo 4 consistently can seem to be instead vivid, as well as getting broader fuel economy. Which is useful information mainly because all IS motor unit cars manage to employ premium energy. 2021 Lexus IS price and release date. The 2021 Lexus IS variety becomes going with all the again drive is350, which has a manufacturer's recommended retail store price, MSRP, of $38,310. Take into account the $1,025 spot payment and so would go to $39,335. The is350 AWD will begin at $41,785. The 2021 is350 begins at $42,955, place $2,165 for all-time vacation. Prices for the F Sport package deal offer is different from device to merchandise but brings someplace close to $3,000 from the completed tally. Inside the a lot more large appearance, 2021 is often affordable in contrast to Mercedes-Benz and also the nearing BMW 3 Series, about constant with all the Audi A4, despite the fact that with far more typical equipment, nonetheless higher priced in contrast to Acura TLX and Genesis G70, both properly tailored up cars.